Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as your summer holidays are starting from tomorrow, so we have planned holiday homework for you. Okay. So, I'm just explaining you what you have to do in the particular question. Okay, student. So, this is your holiday homework of science. So, question number 1 is. Student, before this I want to say that you have to do this your holiday homework in your notebook, in your science notebook. How you have to start it? First, on complete page you have to write holiday homework, summer holiday homework, okay, in bold letters, and then from the next page you have to start your holiday homework. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1 is, find about work of agricultural scientists on new varieties of seeds and new techniques of cultivation which are helpful to increase crop production. Okay, student, in this question you have to find the work of agricultural scientists. Okay, and what the new varieties of seed they have developed and what are the new techniques they have developed for the cultivation of the crop, and how these techniques, the new techniques that they have developed are helpful in increasing the crop production. Okay, student, so that is about the question number 1. Next, question number 2 is, several diseases have been eradicated by vaccination. So as we are already aware about that disease like smallpox, about polio, they all has been eradicated from our country by the vaccination. Next, in second thing, you have to collect information about the vaccines given to you in childhood. You have to collect information what the vaccines are given to you whenever you are in childhood age. Okay, and then about you have to write the short note the vaccines of COVID-19. Write okay what the vaccines are developed. Okay. Next, student, next question number 3 is, write some ways to minimize the uses of polythene and plastic fibers, and also some ways of proper disposal of synthetic fibers. So student, as we have discussed that these synthetic fibers are harmful for all of us. There are some disadvantages of these synthetic fibers, that they leads to soil pollution because they are non-biodegradable. Okay, and it will be very uncomfortable for the person who wear these clothes during the summer season. So they do not absorb the water and hence they will also not absorb the sweat. Okay, so student, in this question you have to write the ways, the method that we should use to minimize, to reduce the use of plastic or the polythene bags. Okay, next question, student, question number 4 is, make the new and creative things by using the old material that show recycling. Okay, student, in this question this is like an activity, and for this you have to use the old materials that can be recycled to the new one. Okay, from which the new substances or the new materials are prepared. For example, you can use the old plastic bottles, you can cut it from the upper side and you can wrap over it, and you can use that for making the pen stand. Okay, so you can make a paper bag from the old newspapers. Next is like this way only you have to use the old material to make the new and creative material. Next, student, question number 5 is, learn chapter 1, 2, 3 for PT1 exam. So student, in your PT1 exam, chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are coming, but we have done till chapter number 3. So you have to learn these chapters for your PT1 exam. So student, about the explanation of your summer holiday homework that you have to do in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.